Hi there, my name is Michael Lee of the Editor Group, and this is the weekly update for the week ending with Friday, April 30th, 2021. So let's get into it. So this week was tying up loose ends and ensuring that the team had the right design artifacts and making sure that I'm crossing my T's and dotting my I's for the work that I'm doing for the left sidebar and the top nav itself. And off the back of that, did an update to the handbook that looks at how how the how design collaborates with engineering. So that's in. So if we go to the editor page, that's updated. So in here with this collaboration area around design, so this mainly talks about how I work within the editor group of soliciting feedback with designs that have the word concepts in front of it, trying to be more disciplined with gathering all the designs into one page called specifications so that designers can find whatever they need in one place rather than jumping between multiple pages or multiple Figma projects, and looking at how we want to move forward with using the workflow design. At the moment, we're going to use it to encompass both the visual design work plus user research work, where the idea is that this work falls on my plate right now, and then if there's further deeper work to be done with design exploration, I'll create a separate issue for that. And the same thing with problem and solution validation. If there deems to be not enough information for us to move forward, I'll create a separate issue in those respective projects so that we can have more comments and discussions around it, so that it doesn't make the parent issue too confusing to parse once it gets into the build stage. So that's this week. Next week, what I'm looking forward to doing is taking a crack at documentation. So documentation is going to be an interesting one. At the moment, initially I was thinking of starting with navigation. That's the thing that's going to go live the most, but this week there has been multiple conversations within the UX team with Vitika, with Nick Post, about how should we be using toggles and check boxes and how we set up and lay out settings in general. So there's already a merge request that Vitika kindly created after our design pairing chat, and I'm going to be taking a look at some of the comments in here and then looking at how we might improve the way we present our current information, because this question comes up often. Next week is also going to be a shorter week for me because I'll be taking time off from Wednesday to Friday. So I'm looking forward to getting these things started but not finished. But over the next 2 weeks, that's kind of the main focus. These other items down here, there's a bunch of content editor issues that I'm helping review and shape up. So that's happening. Left sidebar solution navigation, solution validation is taking a look at the different interaction patterns that we came up in the past. So collaborating with Marcel and Catherine about which tasks we want to do, and then we'll create the various prototypes and then do solution validation asynchronously from there. So that's kind of good. With a 2-week view, I hope to start looking at designing some of the toolbars for the editors, and then looking at updating Figma components for the new left sidebar and the top navigation as well. So this is what this week's wrap up is. I hope you all had a great week and have a great weekend. Bye.